You can make different size braids out of this. I'm going to do 6-ounce pieces. Flour this a little bit. Now we're going to give these a little shape before we braid them. So I'm just going to flatten them out. I'm going to fold into thirds. Tuck the ends under a little bit. Don't want to overshape them because I don't want the dough to be too tough. So I'm just going to kind of shape them to get ready, and you'll see why I shape them this way when I go to make the braids. Just going to cover these and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. These have been resting 15 minutes. Now we're going to braid these. So this is a method I use. Of course, you can use your own method, but I like to leave them attached at one end. Divide this into 3. And then just roll these in my hands or on the counter like that, and then shape them into braids. And since this dough is sticky, this requires the least amount of handling to braid them. At least that's what I find. So then I'm going to put these on a parchment lined sheet pan, or you could use a greased sheet pan. And I'll repeat this process with the rest of these. Okay, it's been about 21 minutes, and there they are.